subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Nokia has launched its new African edition feature phone in Nigeria called Nokia 105. Talking about the specifications, the Nokia 105 Africa edition phone features a 1.77-inch QQVGA display and it is powered by UniSoC 6531E chipset. The phone packs with 4MB RAM and 4MB storage that can store up to 2000 contacts as well as 500 SMS. The device comes equipped by 800 mAh removable battery that is set to offer up to 12 hours of talk time and up to 18 days of standby time on a single charge. On the software front, the Nokia 105 Africa edition phone runs on S30 Plus operating system. Additionally, the handset comes with built-in torch and it includes 10 preloaded games for entertainment. The connectivity option on the phone includes 2G 3.5mm headphone jack, FM radio that can work with or without headset, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 115.2 by 49.9 by 14.3 mm and it weighs around 70 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. Unfortunately, the company haven't revealed the pricing details of the phone at the moment, but according to a report by Tech Economy, it is said that the Nokia 105 Africa edition is priced at 8,100 Nigerian Nairas. And it is now available in the country in blue and charcoal color options. So what do you guys think of this Nokia 105 Africa edition phone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.